Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on the quiet Rivington Road in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a large 4-bedroom period semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a bit of a garden area at the front with paving and mature plants. And as we head inside, we go into a large welcoming entrance hallway which flows through on your right. It's nice, bright and airy bay fronted lounge. As we head towards the rear of the property, you'll find this lovely period dining room, bay windows, and the door providing access to the garden at the rear. The garden has a lot of potential, it's a decent size, mature plants. As you can see, it benefits from the sun. And on your right, there is cellars downstairs. Head on through. This is modern fitted kitchen, exposed wooden floorboards. And this flows on through to a modern utility room as well. As you can see as we head through the property, there's a lot of lovely period features like these ornate wooden doors, along with the staircase heading up to the first floor. To the rear of the property, find this modern fitted bathroom, benefiting from a separate toilet, ideal for families. And as we head on through, get to the third bedroom, which as you can see, is still a large double. Second bedroom just through here. Again, a really good size. Towards the front of the property, we've got the fourth bedroom, again complete with the fitted furniture. We've got this nice bright main bedroom. There's a window seat complementing the bay window as well. Just a stone's throw from Buile Hill Park. This would be a great family home. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.